and girls. Today we're going to work on doubles plus 1 and doubles minus 1. I want you to turn to page 155 in your math workbook. Press pause. Once you have 155 in front of you, go ahead and push play. Okay, let's look at what we're going to do. It says, how can you use the doubles fact 4 plus 4 to solve each problem? Draw to show how. Complete the addition sentence. So let's look at the first one. We have a tower of 4 and another tower of 4. And down below it says 4 plus something equals 9. If you look at our picture, our two towers are a doubles fact. Do you know what doubles fact they are? That's right. They are 4 plus 4. And what does 4 plus 4 equal? Yes, it equals 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's look at where we're trying to get to. Look down at the problem, down at the bottom, and look at our sum. We want to have a sum of 9. Is 9 bigger than 8 or smaller than 8? Yes, it's bigger than 8. So since it is bigger than 8, we're going to do doubles plus 1. So I want you to take your pencil and I want you to draw a cube on top of your second tower, just like that. So now I have my cube. Now I've changed my number sentence. I have 4 still in the first one, 4 here, but I've changed it. Over here, I have 5. So now I have 4 plus 5 equals 9. So I used my doubles fact, 4 plus 4 equals 8 right here. And I added one more so that I would have 4 plus 5 equals 9. All right. Let's try another one. Okay, it says, how can you use the doubles fact 4 plus 4 to solve the problem? Okay, well we know 4 plus 4 equals 8 because we just did that. So let's look at our number sentence down at the bottom. It says 4 plus something equals 7. Now 7 is smaller than 8. So we are going to have to take away one of the cubes. So go ahead and cross off one of your cubes. This changes your number sentence. Your number sentence isn't 4 plus 4 anymore. Now it's 4 plus 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. So again, we started with 4 plus 4 equals 8. And then we knew that we needed to get to a smaller number, so we took 1 away. So we did 4 plus 4, that's our doubles, minus 1, which equals 7. All right. Go ahead and turn to the next page, page 156. Look up at the top. We're going to be looking at using the doubles fact, 5 plus 5, to add. Now, 5 plus 5 equals, that's right, it equals 10. We're going to use doubles plus 1 to solve the problem 5 plus 6 equals something. Okay, so we have our doubles fact right here. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus, we drew one more. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 1 equals something. And we have our doubles fact right there. 5 plus 5 equals, that's right, it equals 10. So now we have 10 plus, we can't forget about that 1. And what does that equal? If I have 10 plus 1 more, it equals, that's right, it equals 11. All right, let's try using doubles minus 1. And now we're using 5 plus 5 again, which we know 5 plus 5 equals 10. But look at our picture. We took 1 away. So we have 5 plus 5 minus 1. And that's what we're looking to see what it equals. So I'm going to show you, we have our doubles fact right here. 5 plus 5 minus 1. 5 plus 5 is 10. If I take 1 away, I have 10 minus 1 equals, 10 minus 1 equals, that's right, it equals 9. All right, we're going to continue down onto number 1. Number 1 is 2 plus 2. So make sure you find number 1 on page 156. We're going to use cubes to add. Solve the doubles fact, then use doubles plus 1 or doubles minus 1. And we're going to circle plus or minus to show how we solved each problem. All right, so you're going to need cubes. So press pause, get your cubes, then press play when you're ready. Okay. So 2 plus 2, let's model that with our cubes. So I have 2, and I have another of 2. So most of you know what 2 plus 2 is, but if you didn't, then you could count your cubes out. So 2 plus 2 equals, that's right, it equals 4. Now let's look, 2 plus 3. Now remember, we already have 2 plus 2, and we know that that is 4. But my number sentence has changed. I still have my 2, but I have 3. So I need to add another cube. When I add that other cube, now I just did 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals. And I want to solve my doubles first. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. This number sentence right here is the same as this number sentence up here. So if 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 5, then 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now, did we add to our picture or did we take away? That's right, we added one more cube. So circle the plus. All right, I'm going to take that cube away so that I'm back to having 2 plus 2. Now let's look at our next problem. So I have 2 plus 2, and over here I have 2 plus 1. So how is my problem over here different? What do I need to do to my cubes? That's right. This time, I need to cross 1 off. Now, when we cross 1 off, boys and girls, that means that we are doing subtraction. That means we are taking away. So let's look at what we started with. We started with 2 plus 2. And then remember how I crossed off that 1 cube? I minus 1. So again, I have my doubles right here. 2 plus 2 equals 4, but I still need to do my minus 1. So what is 4 minus 1? That's right, it is 3. So 2 plus 2 minus 1 is the same as 2 plus 1 equals 3. And we did doubles plus or minus 1. What did we do to our picture? Did we cross off or did we add? That's right, we crossed off. So go ahead and circle your minus sign. All right, I want you to try to do 2 and 3 all on your own. Press pause, then press play when you're ready to go on to page 157. All right, let's try to do a couple more together. Look at page 157, number 4. They want us to make connections and add. Write the doubles fact you use to solve the problem. Okay, so our first problem is 8 plus 9. So I'm going to build 8 plus 9 right here. And you can build 8 plus 9 with your cubes. Let me connect my cubes so that I can make a train of 8. All right, now I'm going to make my 9. All right, so I have 8 plus 9. Do you see a doubles fact in there? I do. I see one right here. I see one right there. That doubles fact is 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. And then I have this one right here that I still need to add in. So it's 8 plus 8 plus 1. Well, come over to your problem and let's solve 8 plus 8. Equals, what does 8 plus 8 equal? That's right, it equals 16. And we know that we just need to add one more. So 16 plus 1 is 17. Excellent. Boys and girls, try to do 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After that, you are all set for today, and you can put your math workbook away. Keep working hard, and we'll be going over this together to make sure that everyone's doing an excellent job.